So my passion with food is making it and sharing it. With great food comes great conversation and memories. That's what I'm passionate about, and that's why I wanted to do this. I did my research and I found that RCBC had accommodations to my life. I'm married, I have 2 children, and this is something that I have a passion for. So I spoke to a couple of the chefs here. I fell in love with them. I fell in love with the courses, their hours, the days. They just work really well. Coming here for the first time, I was obviously nervous. I'm a little bit older, but I believe we all share that same passion about food. So that's how we all connect. Everybody connects in that way, especially with the chef and the student next to you. RCBC has what you need. If food is where your heart is, definitely come in or pick up the phone or email someone and you'll get all the information that you need.